Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy anything on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. Now from here open any document. So at first if you want to copy your all the data, then you can use keyboard shortcut. At first just select your all the data. Just press Ctrl plus A from your keyboard. You can see it selected successfully. Now you have to press Ctrl plus C from your keyboard to copy your data, and it's done. Now just select another cell and paste your data here, and that's it. You can see it's pasted successfully. Now you can use another method to select your all the data. Just put the cursor here, then select your all the cell, and then press Ctrl plus C from your keyboard, then put the cursor here and then paste your data, and that's it. Now for the second method, just select your data again and then right click on mouse, and here you can see copy option. Just click on copy, and that's it. You can see it's copied successfully. Now just paste your data here. That's it. Now for the third method, just select your data again, then click on home tab, and on the clipboard option at the first you can find copy. Just click on copy option, and here it is. You can see it's copied successfully, and here it is. And that is how you can copy data on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.